very good morning to all. Today we are starting a new chapter. This chapter name is lines and angles. So before start this lesson, first we will read about some information about some definition like point, planes, line, how can you draw a line and plane figure. So first we will discuss about each definition one by one. So the first one is point. So what is the means of point? So a point, it is a mark of location. It has no shape and size. So suppose that if we will draw any dot, so this is a dot, it is known as a point. So suppose that this dot, it is a name is a, and what is the name of this point is, so this point is name is a. So and when the 2 points are directly connect to each other, then these 2 points are known as lines. So when the 2 dots are connected to each other, then it forms lines. So this is a lines. And what is the name of point? So point, it is A and B, and the line name is AB. This is a line when we will connect the both point. Then after the next heading is a plane. So a smooth flat surface that extend endlessly in all direction, it is called a plane. Means when there have 3 dots in all direction like this, A, B and C point is here, then it is all 3 points are not be in a same line. So we can say that this all 3 points, it is a collinear point. Then after the next heading is a plane figure. So according to the plane figures, the figures which are drawn in a plane with all their points on the same plane are known as a plane figure. Means suppose that this 3 dots, when we are draw in any figure, any plane surface, then this plane surface is known as a plane figure. Then the next heading is a line segment. So a straight way from a given point to another given point, it is known as a line segment. Suppose that, so they have already discussed about the line. So this is a line segment of AB. What is the name of this line segment? So line segment is a AB. And then after ray, so ray, and what is the means of and what is the difference between the ray and line? So line have no direction, but ray have a direction is given. Suppose that if we will draw the line in A to B direction, so what is the direction arrow is this? So this direction, it is basically it is known as a ray. And what is the name of this AB? So AB we will write in this form, because the line started from the A point and goes to the B direction. So we can simply represent the ray in AB and up this arrow. Then the line, so a line segment extends endlessly in both the direction, it is called a line. So here we will simply draw the both side of arrow, means right hand side and the left hand side. So the line segment are extended endlessly in both direction, because suppose that this is a and B. So when we will connect both point, so this point is also increases in the right hand side, and when we will move to the each side, so this is also endlessly move to the left hand side. So we will simply represent the AB in with the help of this diagram, with this symbol. Then the parallel lines. So if there is no point at which 2 lines intersect, in such a case the lines are known as a parallel lines. So here this is the L and M, and both lines have parallel to each other. Then after we will discuss about the angles. So the figure formed by 2 rays that have the same initial point, it is called an angle. So when the 2 rays have the same initial point means suppose that this is the point of A and one rays go to the up direction and one rays go to the straight. Then this is a rays B and this is a C. And what is the intersect area? So this intersect free space area, it is known as a angle. Then after, there have some different types of angle. Number one is acute angle. So what is the means of acute angle? So when the angle is between the 0 degree to 90 degree, so this type of angle, it is known as a acute angle. Yeah, we will simply say like this: when the angle is less than the 90 degree, then this type of angle, it is known as a acute angle. Then the right angle. So according to the right angle, when the angle is measures 90 degree, then this type of angle, it is known as a right angle. Then the next type of angle, obtuse angle. So obtuse angle are basically, it is a belong to the means less than a 180 degree and the 90 degree is greater than. Means we can say that when the angle is greater than from the 90 degree and less than the 180 degree, then this type of angle, it is known as a obtuse angle. Then the next angle is straight angle. So when the angle R make a straight line, then that type of angle, it is known as a straight angle. Like this is a straight angle because this angle, it is a 180 degree. So what is the name of this angle? So this angle is named as a straight angle. Understand? Then the next type of angle is reflex angle. So according to the reflex angle, if the angle is between the 180 degree to the 360 degree, then this type of angle, it is known as a reflex angle. Understand? Then the next type of angle is complete angle. So when the angle is make a 360 degree angle, then that type of angle, it is known as a complete angle. Then the last type of angle is zero angle. So according to the definition is an angle of a degree measures is 0 degree, it is called a 0 degree angle. So thanks for watching this video.